Hey all, it's Unbiased here. This is a quick video on the recent news about the GeForce experience. So Nvidia has partnered up with Xbox and they are giving away 3 months of free Xbox Game Pass, not the console version, just the PC version, for any users who have a GTX 10 series or above. So if you go onto their website, there's a free giveaway that's going on for getting the Game Pass for 3 months for free. Just right click on your desktop or your taskbar to go into your GeForce experience. Once you're in here, you can check in the drivers tab whether you have this pop-up box or not. So if it says GeForce Rewards, just click on your name and click on redeem. So you should have something like this which mentions PC Game Pass and an option to redeem. Since I've already redeemed mine, it shows as redeemed with a tick symbol here. So for you, once you click here, it will show us green colored redeem box, and you click here and it will take you to a page where it shows you a redemption code, which I have blurred out obviously, and you also have a link where you can redeem the code. So I'll click on this. So it will take you to the Microsoft redemption page where you can enter the code that was given in the Nvidia page over here, and once you click on next, it'll ask you to enter your credit card or debit card information. Don't worry, it will not charge you anything. It is just for verification and a recurring billing option. Just two things to remember here. The first one is to turn off the recurring billing option. So otherwise it will keep on charging 350 rupees every month once your subscription of Game Pass is over. Remember that this is rolled out only on a first come first served basis. So yours might take a few more days than your friends to appear on your screen. So don't worry, everyone should get it. At least that's what they confirmed. So if you're not getting, just be patient. So that was a quick video on how to get the Game Pass for free. Thank you all for watching. See you all in the next one.